Hello and welcome back, everyone. Thanks for joining me. Don't you just love the green of moss? I wish I could have it more of this green in my garden and of moss, because moss is such a neat little plant. But moss is something that we're not going to be talking about today. What we will be talking about is the life cycle of plants. And the life cycle of plants is something that can be a little difficult to understand as a beginning gardener. What is a perennial, a biennial, and an annual? A perennial is a plant that comes back year after year after year. Some live longer than others. Some may only live a few years. Some may live 20 years. And perennials can be a nice staple in your garden, something reliable that you can build off of. Plants like delphiniums, lavender, certain coreopsises, rudbeckia. One thing to know about perennials is their blooms typically don't last as long, maybe just a few weeks, but they are definitely a good plant to build off of, and it's always great to see them year after year after year. Now, moving on, biennials. Biennials, probably the most notable one is foxgloves. Now, what a biennial does is it grows foliage that first year, gets good root system, good foliage in place, and then it blooms and sets seed that second year and dies off that second year as well. So if you like a biennial, what you can do is buy, say, a foxglove that first year, buy another one that second year, or any other biennial that you like. That way it's in your garden year after year, constantly blooming. Annuals grow rapidly. They flower profusely, because what they want to do is set seed that first year to carry on their species, and then when they do that, they'll go ahead and die. One famous, more notable annual is petunias. So in order to carry on that blooming cycle, what you could do, so it's not setting seed, is when that flower head is spent, it's not looking too hot, go ahead, deadhead that plant, and it'll keep blooming because it's not setting seed all the way up till frost. Well, that's it, everyone. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, bye-bye.